In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to watch out for so you don't remove something important by mistake. First, open Asana and head to your home view. This is the dashboard you see after signing in, and it gives you quick access to recent items and your sidebar. Make sure you're in the correct organization or workspace, especially if you're a member of multiple teams. Deleting a project affects everyone who uses it, so take a second to confirm you're in the right place before moving on. Next, open the project you want to delete. You can find it in the left sidebar under your team, or use the search bar at the top to jump straight to it. Double-check the project name and contents to be sure you've selected the correct one. If the project holds tasks, conversations, files, or custom fields that others rely on, consider whether it's truly ready to go. If you only need it out of the way, archiving might be a better fit. But if it's truly no longer needed, deletion is the cleanest option. With the project open, look at the top of the screen where the project name appears. To the right of the title, you'll see a small drop-down arrow that opens the Project Actions menu. Click that arrow to reveal the management options for this project. This menu is where Asana keeps higher-level actions like project settings, exporting, and, importantly, deletion. From that menu, choose Delete Project. Asana will show a confirmation prompt to prevent accidental removals. Read the prompt carefully so you understand what will be deleted, including tasks and associated details within this project. If you're certain, confirm the deletion. In many organizations, deleted items may be recoverable for a limited period, but that window and availability can vary. If you're unsure, you may want to capture essential information first, such as key task details or timelines, before you confirm. If you don't see the delete option, you likely don't have the required permissions. In that case, contact a project owner or an admin and ask them to perform the deletion for you. Also note that team members who had access to the project will no longer see it once it's removed, so communicate the change if others are expecting to use it. That's it. You've opened Asana, selected the correct project, accessed the Project Actions menu, and confirmed the deletion. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll keep your workspace clean without losing anything.